Hello everyone. In my previous two videos, I show first one is how to integrate text form field, data table and button. Second is how to build responsive UI. In today's video, we shall learn how to integrate Supabase with a Flutter project. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser. Click on sign in button. Choose continue with GitHub. If you don't have GitHub, select continue with Google. Enter your login detail. Select your account and complete the security step. Click create account. Authorize Supabase. Click create account. Authorize Supabase. If you face any error, simply click on GitHub again and reload the page. Click on create organization. Enter required detail. Set a database password. Click create new project. Wait for a setup to complete. Now you shall see your project dashboard. Scroll down in the dashboard. Copy project URL, annoy public key. We shall need this in Flutter project. Open your Flutter project. Go to pubspec.yaml. Under dependencies, add Supabase Flutter respective versions. Press Ctrl S to download dependencies. Open main.dart. Make main as a async. Add Supabase initialization. Inside main method, write widgets flutter binding dot ensure initialize, and in the next line write await Supabase dot initialization. Inside inside that URL, copy from your project URL. Same with annoy key. In terminal, write flutter clean and flutter pub pubget, or simple restart to your app. Any previous error should now be gone. Go to Supabase dashboard, select authentication, open provider, disable secure email change, click save. Now your email authentication is enabled. Go to authentication, open users, click add user, select create new user, enter email and password, save and refresh the page. Your user is now created. To check Supabase is added or not in our project, create a login method in Flutter. Call this method inside init state, restart the app. If login is success, Supabase is integrated correctly. That's it. We shall successfully integrated Supabase with Flutter.